You're trying to get affiliated on Twitch, but you just can't seem to get that 3 average viewers, right? Don't worry, in today's video I'll be going over 3 techniques that you can use today to increase your views and get affiliated on Twitch. I'm Dubinator, this is Streamwell, let's get into it. We'll start in an order that makes sense for maximum growth and natural growth. So that means starting with your social networking. By this, I really do mean your friends and family, but don't worry, you don't have to go up to them and start promoting your stream right away. It's 100% fine if you're not comfortable with this. I didn't do it myself, but I did reach out to my online community of friends. When I started, only one person in my day-to-day life knew I streamed, but I still had a ton of online friends who I was extremely comfortable with streaming in front of, and I met many of these people through other streamers communities or Discord and other platforms. There really is no secret trick to networking. All it is finding content creators that fit your size and your niche and connecting with them. Lots of people think this means you need to comment, chat, and be active everywhere to engage and network, but that's simply not true. Content creators understand more than anyone that time is limited and valuable, so most really appreciate the time others take just to say hello and chat. So when you start streaming, I highly suggest you reach out to your social network for people who may support you. If you don't have a strong social network yet, that's okay. I suggest taking the time to really become a part of some Twitch communities. Maybe not the ones with 10,000 viewers though. They have a ton of support already, and good luck seeing any messages in this kind of a chat. At this point, you're a small streamer on Twitch, so support other small streamers and you'll see your views grow. The next step to get those 3 average viewers on Twitch is simply to have a consistent schedule. I can't tell you how many small streamers I see with inconsistent schedules or no schedule at all. I think one reason for this is streamers think they should go live at any time. They kind of think, hey, any viewer or any follower at any time is a good thing, right? This is true and not true. You see, if a viewer follows you because you're live while they're eating dinner, but the next time you're live, they're at work, that follower is less likely to watch you, and you'll end up with an inflated follower count that can play mind tricks on you, like thinking, I have 1,000 followers, how come I don't have at least 100 viewers? So consider sticking to a time slot in the same days in a week. If your viewers know you're live every Friday at 5, they're more than likely to stop in more often. You essentially want to become part of these viewers' everyday routine, where they instinctively tune into your streams without a go live notification. Don't worry too much about how long you stream for either. Keep it manageable and consistent. Averaging 3 viewers is best done spread out over shorter streams that are consistent. I stream only 3 days a week, once for 4 to 5 hours and twice for only 2 hours. These consistent short streams ensure viewers who do show up don't have to dedicate hours of their time, and spreading the days out also gives viewers time to desire your content again and again. The last tip is definitely the best tip, but definitely the hardest to master, and that's chat engagement. Most streamers I see who are struggling to get affiliate almost never provide opportunities of chat engagement. I hate to be blunt, but no one's going to stay in your chat if you're not actively promoting engagement. Whether you have 0 or 100 viewers, you need to be actively providing opportunities for open dialogue. This is a hard skill to develop, but it's key to retaining those first few viewers when you don't have chat being flooded by emotes. The best advice I can give to new streamers who want to develop this skill is to simply imagine your chat is so active you can't possibly keep up with it. Try cracking a few jokes, do commentary, share insights, discuss topics, think out loud, and even give your opinion on things you're doing, whether it's gaming, cooking, art, or whatever. The more you learn to talk to 0 viewers and provide genuine entertainment, the better off you'll be in the long run. Once you do have a couple chatters, keep building off chat. Be the leader in the conversation and ask questions to not only learn more about your audience and community, but to also promote more engagement. And the cherry on top to all this engagement is to promote chatter to chatter engagement. If you can get your viewers to chat with each other, form friendships and bonds, now you have a community. Now you have a foundation to build your stream on. Engagement like this is the heart of your community, so embrace it and encourage it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful at all, remember to like and subscribe for more content. It really helps the channel. If you're looking to gain more followers, watch this video right here. It'll really help you out. Until next time, I'm Doobie, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy streaming.